Imagine a towering skyscraper, its weight seemingly defying gravity. What holds it up? Beams. But have you ever wondered, how much can a beam really hold? Beams are the backbone of countless structures, from bridges to buildings. Understanding their load-bearing capacity is crucial for engineers, architects, and even DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the factors that influence a beam's strength and explore some real-world examples. Factors affecting beam strength. Material. The type of material used significantly impacts a beam's strength. Steel, for instance, is renowned for its durability, while wood offers a more natural aesthetic. We'll compare the load-bearing capacities of common materials like steel, wood, and concrete. Cross-section. The shape and size of a beam's cross-section play a vital role. A wider, deeper beam can typically support more weight than a narrower, shallower one. We'll discuss different cross-sectional shapes, such as rectangular, I-beam, and channel, and their respective strengths. Length and span. The length and span of a beam also affect its load-bearing capacity. Longer beams tend to be more susceptible to bending under heavy loads. We'll explore how to calculate the maximum allowable span for a given beam material and cross-section. Load type. The type of load applied to a beam can influence its strength. Static loads, such as the weight of a building, are relatively constant, while dynamic loads, like wind or earthquake forces, can be more unpredictable. We'll discuss the differences between static and dynamic loads and how they affect beam design. Real-world examples. Bridges. Bridges are iconic structures that rely on beams to support massive loads. We'll examine some of the world's most impressive bridges, highlighting the engineering feats behind their construction. From the Golden Gate Bridge to the Sydney Harbour Bridge, we'll explore how these structures have pushed the boundaries of beam technology. Buildings. Skyscrapers and other tall buildings rely on a complex network of beams to withstand immense weight and lateral forces. We'll delve into the design principles and construction techniques used to ensure the structural integrity of these towering structures. DIY projects. Even for smaller-scale DIY projects, understanding beam strength is essential. We'll offer practical tips and advice for selecting the right beams for common home improvement tasks, such as building decks, shelves, or sheds. Beams are the unsung heroes of our built environment, providing the strength and support necessary for countless structures. By understanding the factors that influence beam strength, we can appreciate the engineering marvels that surround us. So, the next time you look up at a towering skyscraper or cross a majestic bridge, take a moment to marvel at the beams that hold it all together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.